Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. And it's not quite Fabric Friday, but it's my sewing area. This is my second take on it with a different camera because, as I keep saying, I have no end of camera troubles. But where have I been? First of all, it was life got in the way of the channel, and then I spent a week in the land of pain as my back, don't know what I did to it, but it was that painful at times I couldn't even take a deep breath. When that eased, I've basically been playing catch up, but slowly, so I don't put my back out again. But while it was out, I took a complete rest from doing anything. Luckily, I had cut out my brother's Bargello quilt, Queen King size, so I could just sit and sew. So that's all I did all week, is sit and sew. And I'll turn you around and show you in a moment. But, well, I'll turn you around now. As I told you, my brother's Bargello quilt is huge. The Bargello swags, if you like, there's 3 across and 3 down, and they are 24 inches by 26 inches. So that's quite a bit. And there are 3 swags down, as I said, and there's a striped border across the top and the bottom. But I've had to pin it up because I keep walking on it, it hangs on the floor. But this will get quilted when, I don't know, but it's a big thing. And if anyone's always wanted to do a Bargello and doesn't know how to go about it, I can show you easily how to do it. Not necessarily on a big scale, but I can do it on a smaller scale. And this one is, to me it looks like streamers because it's in the Christmas colours and that. So it's going to be one of those sofa backs, but I can do a smaller one to show you how I do it, because this is, I think it's about 12 inches. The swags are about 12 inches by 14 inches wide, something like that. Can't remember. Let's see, measure, because I started this one before my brother's. So that's 18 inches. Each swag is 18 inches long and 12 inches wide, I think. Nope, sorry, 16 inches wide. But I've got no more Christmas colours like these, so I'm going to be doing other things on the side of it because it's going to be a see-through. And Mason's waiting to go out, so see you later. I'm thinking ahead to next year, 2025. I still will be quilting and sewing and gardening and cooking and preserving and all the things I normally do. But I'm thinking of doing a block of the month sampler quilt type thing. I've got a pattern in my head. That's where all my patterns come from, is in my head. I don't write them down, I work them out in my head and keep them there until I do them. So this one, although it won't look like it, it can be done by a beginner basically. So I'm thinking of doing that, and then I'm thinking of, once I do it, do a live stream once a month just after I put the video out. Well, a week or so after I put the video out for the block of the month, so that you can jump on, ask me any questions you like about it, anything like that. So that's what I'm thinking of anyway. But I'm rambling now. And thanks for watching and joining in with me and commenting. And I'm still not yet monetized, but I'm getting there, because my watch hours just need coming up a lot now. So thank you. Bye.